Are you a wedding photographer who is struggling to book weddings? Or maybe you're trying to go full-time, but something is just not clicking. Your photos, they're good, you're posting, you're doing everything right, but the bookings just aren't coming. Or maybe you've been doing this whole wedding photography thing for so long, it became boring, repetitive, and you want something to change. You see other photographers' work and you feel like you're stuck and you're not happy with your photos anymore. Let me tell you a story. Back in 2016, me and my friend Mark started a photography community for the Polish local market right here in Warsaw. The idea, push our local wedding photographers forward. Me and Mark, we've already been shooting internationally. We've been doing conferences, workshops, destination weddings, but the Polish market that we knew here, even though it was extremely talented, photographers were amazing, it was heavily underpriced. And then there was this massive visible gap between what we could see at the international conferences and in our local market. Photographers here just were treating themselves not like peers, but more like competition. So what we did, we started a Facebook group. We did live reviews, we dropped tips, we answered questions, something that, local photographers have never experienced before. And after a couple of weeks, we gave everyone a challenge. We said, raise your prices. People were afraid that they're going to lose their bookings and stuff, but we encouraged them to do it. And you know what happened? They raised the prices and then they kept booking weddings. Why? Because they actually implemented what they learned. They had better portfolios, better curation, they had better websites, better positioning. And that is when I learned this is the power of community and support. So we went bigger. We started running an annual conference. We brought in photographers from around the world to teach and inspire. We had Ferjuaristi, Ben Chaish, two-man studios. We did this for 4 years. And honestly, for me, maybe I'm biased, but that was the golden era of wedding photography here in Poland. I kind of miss it because the real magic wasn't the workshops. It was the power of community, of lifting each other's up. Photographers were seeing their peers actually succeeding. They would see them charging more and getting booked, changing their style, refining their brands. And when you see someone like you do it, you think, I can do it too. That's what changed people. Then COVID shut it down. Conferences ended. Everything stopped, even destination weddings for me. And during COVID, that's where I started this YouTube channel because there was literally nothing else I could do. I moved into this online space. But for years, I dreamed of bringing that conference energy back. So I started teaching through online courses. And it went great, hundreds of sales, but there was a problem. You guys were watching the courses and I was doing nothing. A kind of perfect business scenario, but for me, I would create the resources and hope you would use them. Some of you did, but then I would look at the stats and most people never finished the courses. So that's why last year I launched my one-on-one mentorship. And this was completely different because now I could work directly with some of you. I could review your portfolios, refine your strategy, adjust your offer. Heck, I taught a doctor from Florida how to photograph a wedding, a freaking anesthesiologist, zero wedding experience. We went from which lenses should I buy to complete editing and delivery workflow. And you know what? He nailed it. That gave me more satisfaction than selling hundreds of courses because I got to be a part of it. I could see the transformation happen. I got to see a screenshot of a text he got from a bride that was happy with the wedding photos. But here's the thing. I can only work with, so many people one-on-one. So I asked myself, how do I make this approachable for more of you? How do I bring back that conference energy? How do I combine everything I've learned that actually works? The answer is the community that creates accountability, the coaching that gives you personal feedback, and the courses that give you the knowledge. And that's it. That's the Academy. Courses, coaching, and community. Everything that works in one place. After years of thinking about it, planning it, it's time to open the next chapter of how I educate wedding photographers. So today, I'm opening the doors to It's a Kind of Magic, the Academy. Let me tell you what's inside. First, Courses. The Academy includes all the courses I ever created. So my signature Flash Magic course that teaches you how to use Flash at weddings, my Magicadabra editing course with my presets, and my personal Imagen AI profile trained on over 15,000 photos. Then my wedding breakdown masterclass and more to come, where I walk you through how I approach full wedding day. And then a brand new foundation course that I call Book Awesome Weddings. 4 modules, over 4 hours of content broken into 20-ish minute lessons, so it's easy digestible. And here is what it teaches you: how to reposition yourself to book the weddings you actually want. Not just get more bookings, but book the right weddings, the ones that you're excited about. Everything starts with 3 questions. What are you trying to book? What do they need to see to trust you? And how do you connect with them before they ever see your pricing so they don't ghost you? Most photographers skip straight to the here's my price and hope, and that's where you get ghosted. This course shows you how to fix your positioning so the right couples actually want to book you. If you're doing everything right but still not booking wedding, this fixes it. All of these courses are included in the Academy from day one, but here's the part I'm mostly excited about: monthly live sessions. So the coaching part, this is where the implementation actually happens. Some months it's going to be the coaching calls and hot seats. So you bring your portfolio, your pricing, your questions, and I review your work. We work through it together live in a group setting. You get the feedback on your specific situation, or you watch others getting feedback and learning from that. It's not a generic advice because it's going to be suited to the person that is being hot seated. Other months, I'm going to be doing guest workshops. So I'm bringing in photographers I've learned from over the years to teach specific things. Just like I did with the conference back in the day, the best photographers I've learned from, I'm going to bring them to you. Topics I plan in the upcoming months are content creation at weddings, shooting film, booking weddings with hybrid photo and video offer, booking weddings through ads, posing couples. So already a whole bunch of different topics, stuff that I know you need to grow. I have spent 10 plus years attending conferences and workshops. And heck, I was hired multiple times to host workshops, webinars, online conferences, in-person conferences. I want to bring all of that energy and experience into the Academy. So not just me teaching, but also me hosting other people I've learned from, to share what they know with you. This is the part you can't get just from buying a course. You show up, you do the work, you get the feedback, you improve month after month. This is what creates the actual transformation. And the last but not least, the private community. So you'll see what others are doing. You're going to share the wins, help each other. The community is where you stay accountable. It's where you don't feel alone in this job that we get to do mostly alone, where you see someone like you actually implement something and you can think, oh, I can do that too. That's what changed those photographers back in the day in my local market when we run the conference. And that's what's going to change you. So let me break down what you're getting. All of my online courses. So that's already $600 in courses alone. Then monthly live sessions. If I charged like only $50 per session, that would be $600. Plus you get the private community, and that is priceless. Plus all the future courses I create. If you add this all up, you're looking at over $1,500 in value, right? So will I charge that? Well, I could, but no. I want to make this approachable for everyone. I myself live in a country with a much cheaper market than, these tens of thousands of dollars. And I know many of you come from countries where you can't charge thousands of dollars per wedding simply. So it would be really tough to earn back that kind of investment. That is why It's a Kind of Magic. The Academy is only $399 per year, but I'm opening this to the founding members first. And if you join during the founding member window, which starts today until the next Monday, you're not paying $399. You're paying half of this, $199 per year, and that rate locks in forever. As long as you stay a member, you never pay more than that. After March 23rd, so next Monday, new members pay $399. So if you join now, you save $200 every single year, and that's founding member perk number 1. Number 2, 4 exclusive coaching sessions in April. The first 4 weeks of the Academy, I'm doing weekly live sessions just for founding members. So not monthly, weekly. I want to get to know you, see where you guys are at, and give you immediate value. Accelerate the progress for those who believed in the Academy. Get you started right away. After April, we go to monthly sessions for everyone. And perk number 3, you are the OG. You're literally going to be the first people in this community. We're kind of building this together. I'm hosting it, I'm building this, but I'm building this with my founding members. So whether it's going to be first 5 or first 50 founding members, you are going to be the core of the community. So is this for you? It is if you're shooting weddings or you're about to start and you want to take better photos, you want to book more weddings or better weddings, whatever that means for you. And here's the most important part. You're willing to actually show up and do the work, not just buy another course and let it sit there. Actually show up, come to the live sessions, bring your stuff, post in the community, get feedback, implement, get feedback again, refine, and so on. And if you bought courses before and never finished them, I get it. I did that as well. That's why I'm building this differently. The live sessions won't let you hide. The community keeps you accountable, and you're not just buying videos to watch alone in your editing cave. You're joining a community that makes you grow. If that sounds like what you need, I'll see you inside. Link is in the description below. Founding members window March 16th to March 23rd. After that, the price doubles. Click the link, join as a founding member. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you in the Academy.